Libra, the song that's coming to an end for you is Life Goes On. Gemini had this song, so you may run, ooh, shit, hold up. We're not gonna do that. Let me shuffle real quick. It's a advertisement, so you may be plotting. You may be trying to come up with an idea. You thinking about some shit, trying to make some shit shake, trying to make ends meet in some way, shape, or form, or you just trying to manifest some shit into your life. All right, your life been moving, and it's like life been rolling. It's like life went on regarding something, or life was rolling. Now you're trying to make some shit happen. Trying to make some shit change. Cause last time I checked on your last reading, Libra, you was going through some shit. You was involved in bullshit that ain't had nothing to do with you. Look, now the wheel done turned. What I was talking about, your last reading, this was in reverse. Now you in the upright. Good. Look, this was in your last one too. Now you got some words you gotta say, or you said these words to whoever you needed to say these words to. Look, you got more realer. You got realer with yourself. All right, you peep. You had to bring some shit to an end. Something probably broke your heart once upon a time, or it's like something you invested in. You had to voice your opinion on something, and once you voiced that opinion, it's like you had to end the partnership, end the relationship. But you could see through the fog now. You feel me? At one point when you were invested in something was keep making your vision blurry. You wasn't accepting the truth. It was like someone or something was playing on your emotions. And then because of that, you ain't know which way you wanted to go emotionally. Whether you didn't know how you wanted to express your emotions, or you didn't know which path to go down, that path triggered emotions out of you. It's like you wanted to invest in something that brought emotions out of you, but you didn't know which way you needed to go because you were invested in something that was making your vision blurry. But now you could see, and you can see because the wheel done turned. It's like God, it's karma, basically. And because of that, you may now want to take your mind somewhere, or you just want to invest in a person, place, or thing. It's like you being more real with yourself. Again, song playing, more realer. It's like time to be realistic now. Let's be real. Something outside of you. A foundation outside of you. Holy shit. Hold up. Yo, that was wild. A foundation outside of you, somebody might not want you to know this. A foundation outside of you was not true. 4 wands. And it's like, when you were confused, something was working. It was like, people were celebrating, or just, you feel me? When you couldn't see, everything was fine. A celebration, it was a party. You saw yourself stable. But now that you can see, it's like now that the fog done cleared up, it's like you was in a genjutsu. Now that the genjutsu's up, now that, you wipe your eyes off, you open them up, you like, hold up, what the fuck? And now you may want to go in a new direction and exchange emotions in order to bring something to a higher realm of reality. Whether if it's an actual relationship, then it's like you want to exchange emotions with somebody and then take your relationship to the next level. Or if it's a job, you want to invest in this job because you feel like it'll bring you to a higher realm in your reality, or a higher perspective in your reality. Or it's like you just want to take action on something regarding emotions. Something makes you emotional, and now you want to exchange emotions with that. Whether it don't gotta be a person. It could be a business, it could be a job, it could be whatever you're involved in. You see something different now. Because you can see now. And that because of that, you ready to go in a new direction. Look, you done crying over bullshit. Hey, good on you. Good on you, Libra. It's like at one point when you couldn't see, not only was it a foundation, but it was like you being confused kept things afloat. You feel me? Because you were focused on something that was not work. It was like you were working on something that already failed. But I don't know what you was doing with yourself, yo. But people around you were being able to eat off of you being confused. But you're not confused no more. You can see what you need to see regarding emotional investments because you turned your back on a bad emotional investment. It's like something was already fucked up, but you still wanted to work on it. But now, as soon as you realize, hold up, this ain't even worth my tears or my time or my energy anymore, whether it's a person, place, or thing, or a job, a business, an idea. You turned around, you said, oh, nope, that foundation fell, but you wiped your eyes and now you can see again. And that's because the wheel turned. God got involved. Someone that's playing for you is Rack's too skinny. See, something was taking your money. It's like, yeah, you was cool, but something was like leeching off you almost. Now you know what you got to do in order to heal. You may be dealing with an Aquarius because Aquarius is right here. But Look, you out your head regarding something. I'ma fuck with you.